Good evening, everyone. Today is Friday, April 12, 2024. Now, Wilhelmina is here again, live for the buyer around the world to inform that the price of gold is just skyrocket. 2022, 2023, and 24, I remind everyone on my video, YouTube, or on Facebook that there is a possibility that the price of gold will rise, keep on rising. Last month, the price of gold was 75, then 76. Then today, the price of gold is 77. 77,000 per kilo. Per ounce is 2,396.3. Alright, in dollars terms, 77. Now, this 77 is refined. There is no discount. You are buying unrefined, which is $70,000, 340 per kilo. So if you are just a small gold trader, you are looking for cheap price, I doubt you will get the real supplier. There's so many fake offer, so many online. I wonder this chain of middlemen, they come to Wilhelmina. They couldn't find the real supplier. We are the real. Wilhelmina is the one who promote Africa. Wilhelmina is the one who put Africa on the world map. That Africa is the main source of gold, diamond, cassius, oil, gas, and so forth. I'm marketing on behalf of the seller. I am the extension, and also I am your business facilitator. I'm not chasing you. You are chasing this supply because gold has many uses. Gold is king. Gold is the world asset you are buying. Gold has many uses. Either you can make into jewelry like this one. This is finished product. The raw materials coming from Africa. Where did I bought this one? In Dubai Gold Souk. When I stop over from Africa, that my transaction is successful. Before I return to Australia, I stop over again in Dubai. I went to Gold Souk. I interviewed the owner of the store, where the supply coming from. And this gold store was surprised. And I told him, oh, I'm just asking, Madam, do you have a gold? I said, yeah, we do. But we don't bring here. You have to pay for it. Just like I'm here in your shop, I'm buying finished product. And the owner of the shop was surprised of my caliber. The owner of gold in Gold Souks are all Indian. Indian is a gold lover. There is also good Indian and bad Indian, but I'm not generalize. My small Indian, they are trying to cut corner. They think they can get handsome profit. You will only get the profit when you have the capital. Now, going back to this world asset, I think you know Wilhelmina from video to video. The reason why I keep on updating because I want to let the buyer inform rather than running around from chain of middlemen. You don't need a chain of middlemen, Mr. Buyer. You don't need anymore. Most of the middlemen, the chain of broker joker, I call them joker, they landed into Wilhelmina. Why? When they search on YouTube, my video pop up in their screen. Mr. Buyer, you have internet, you have modem, you have Wi-Fi. You don't need to deal with the chain of middlemen. Don't be scared. You are dealing directly to the main producer of gold. Wilhelmina is your business facilitator. At the same time, I'm the extensions of the seller. Now, my role has two roles. I am your negotiator, and I am also the extension of the seller, and I have the power to renegotiate on your behalf. and I have the power to reject you. Now, Mr. Buyer, you don't need to ask, send me the procedure. The procedure is already in front of you. Just subscribe every time I updated the price through YouTube channel and on Facebook. Don't come to Wilhelmina unless you are prepared. Don't come to Wilhelmina unless you read this full corporate offer in front of you. I explain it thoroughly. I lay out everything, what necessary you are going to convince us, and what necessary export documentation you will get when you pay the products. Meaning to say, when you pay the gold bank to bank. And don't ask, well, Amina, we are the buyer CIF. To me, you are not a buyer. Why? CIF cost insurance and freight only. So therefore, you don't have the cash. You can only afford to pay the shipping cost and insurance. How about paying the gold? You cannot just take the gold without payment because the government would not give a certificate of clearance. Mr. Buyer, don't be a fool. I'm telling you, don't be a fool because you would not get the gold unless you pay for it. There is no upfront. There's none. Remove the mentality of upfront. There's none. You have to travel. You have to make reservations of your order. You need to send a letter of interest called LOI that you are really a buyer. Without LOI, I wouldn't believe it. That LOI is to signify you are a buyer. Wilhelmina is very strict, and I can detect that you're a time waster if you don't introduce yourself. This morning, there was a buyer that he is a buyer. He come to my WhatsApp. He said hello. So I'm very polite and I told him, learn how to introduce yourself. And how did you get my number? And he said, oh, I watched on your YouTube. I'm very impressed of your personality. I'm impressed the way you present to the world. And I told this buyer, what did you learn out of my YouTube channel? And why you don't know how to introduce yourself? And my name is not Hi. And my name is not Hello. You already saw Wilhelmina on my YouTube. So therefore you know my name. So he was being embarrassed. He's an Indian guy. And he said he's a buyer. And I told him, I don't think so. Because you don't know how to introduce yourself. If I am the buyer, I will introduce. Dear Wilhelmina, I watch your YouTube channel. And I am the buyer. This is my profile, Wilhelmina. This is my business registration, Wilhelmina. I am the buyer. I educate this Indian buyer. So middle of my conversation, he said that he opened a company in Sierra Leone. And he has the buyer. He is buying on behalf of his buyer. Can you imagine that? I can detect. I study the language behavior of the buyer. I study his language behavior in the form of business psychology. So while I'm talking to him about 2 hours, and I told him, I don't think so you're a buyer really, to be honest with you. You don't know how to introduce yourself because if I am the buyer, I will introduce myself properly because I need a supply. So what he did, he provided everything. He showed his business registration, etc., etc. So I told him, okay, I'm going to review your credential and how many kilos you are going to secure. He said 20 kilos, okay. Which country you are going to secure? He said that I need gold in Conakry, Guinea, okay. And I asked him, why you need gold in Conakry? Madam, because Dubai and Conakry is one stop. And this is my first time, madam, to travel to Conakry. Very, very amazing. He has a company in Sierra Leone, but he could hardly get the gold. Now, what I have told this Indian, I educated him. I told him, when you have a company, even in Sierra Leone, the exporter would not touch you. Why? Because you are looking for cheap price. And gold is not cheap. The real seller would not sell his gold cheap price. There is a value on it. And he agreed on me. See? He agreed, huh? He said he's a buyer, he's an Indian guy. And suddenly he revealed who he is. Can you imagine how I scrutinize this Indian buyer? Then suddenly he provided me all his license. And I told him, I will get back to you and then I will confirm the price that you're asking for. I cannot guarantee, but I will try to renegotiate when you show me the proof of on your bank statement that you have $1,000,000. Because 20 kilos is more than $1,000,000. And our selling price, less 8% tax included. He was surprised of my caliber. Mhm. And I told this Indian buyer that if you want to get the gold in Conakry, you have to follow the government rules and regulation, or else you are going to fail. Because I've been to Conakry, the government has changed. The policy of the government has changed. And I told him, this is also for everyone. When you buy gold in Conakry, the gold will be brought to the central bank after you inspect the gold in the office. Because the seller owned the gold. You have to come to the office with Wilhelmina. You inspect and you need to buy gold analyzer. This is for your benefit. My seller has gold analyzer, but if you really want thorough, that if you really want to deal with the right seller, if I'm were you, even though you buy gold in Sierra Leone or in Mali or in Conakry or whatsoever, you need to have gold analyzer. So I told him that gold analyzer, you can buy that online worth $15,000. And also, I charge my extra service. I don't travel in Africa without knowing the buyer's credibility, because you are buying $1,000,000 here. So he said, how much is your extra service? I told him $20,000. Next year, 2025, I'm gonna increase my services of 25,000. 2022 and 23, I charged the customer $15,000. Previous to 2020, I charged my customer to a company $10,000. Now, because of the inflation, because the prices goes up, when the gold goes up, my services also goes up. Now, while the price is a little bit affordable, why not secure now? Don't be scared, because I'm a woman. I traveled in Africa. I don't have any security guard. Because once you're going to be invited, you will be invited by the company with the invitation that you are a valued customer based on your order. That LOI will signify that you are a buyer. Now, don't ask me, well, Amina, show me the format of LOI. You're a businessman, you should know that. LOI stands for letter of interest to buy, coming from you on your company letterhead. There, Wilhelmina, I saw you on your Facebook platform and on YouTube. I am the buyer. I'm looking for 22 plus carat, which is 23. My demand is 96, 97 purity. I'm looking to buy for gold bar dore. Yeah, we do have. And this Indian buyer, he asked me, what is the capacity of your seller can supply? And I told him, what capacity you can afford to pay? Because my seller on the mines, he produce gold. You are not dealing with chain of broker here. You are dealing with Wilhelmina. And I have the power to reject you if you don't meet the criteria. I told him this morning. So what he did, he was intrigued of my screening. And he said to me, I'm impressed. Very rare a woman that very, very tough. I said, yes, I'm very tough. So he asked my background. He shared me his background. He said he's very rich in India. And I told him, I don't believe it until I see it. And I told him, open your camera because I want to see it. And in the beginning, you don't know how to introduce. That's a really very bad protocol. If you're a businessman, you should know that. You should know how to introduce yourself. And he was laughing. He was just testing my guts. And I told him, don't test my guts because I can evaluate the way you talk to Wilhelmina. So suddenly, he provide all his license, but it's not convincing enough. I told him that I will send you the company video presentation, but I need to see your bank statement that really you have $1,000,000. That registration is only a piece of paper. You're buying money here. I told this Indian buyer, you're buying money to make money, but if you cannot prove that you have $1,000,000 in your bank account, a bank statement, that piece of paper that you show me is nothing. I told him. And he said, I will send you the bank statement that I can really purchase gold. And I told him our selling price less 8%, tax included. This is FOB, not CIF, cost, insurance, and freight. This is not Black Fund. This is not SBLC. You need to have a capital before you get the gold. He said to me that in India, only 14 companies that have license to import. And he is one of it. And I told him, show me that you have a license to import in India. And he told me that India is a gold lover. I said, I know that. I know. We have the gold. Africa is the main source of supply. You wouldn't get the gold to a real supplier unless you prove to yourself that you are really a buyer. There's so many fake offer in Africa. They can offer you 45. That is only to tease you, in order to trap you. But we are not going to tease you. Wilhelmina, lay out everything. What necessary requirement you are going to submit to us. You are just like applying for the job. You are applying to buy. Wilhelmina is going to interview you. Before I'm going to give you a very good fair price. Now I'm telling this buyer, our selling price less 8%, tax included. And he said, fair, your price is fair. I said, I know. You cannot buy gold to Dubai 2%. Why? The gold coming from Africa. They buy gold in Africa with 8% discount and then resell it to 2%. The buyer get still 6%. But if you're going to use Wilhelmina, and Wilhelmina will assist you, and Wilhelmina will accompany you, yes, you will get 10 to 12% discount. Why? Because you're paying my services. In return, I'm going to throw back percentage. Instead of 8%, 12% I can give you. I am going to renegotiate to the head office that I'm giving you 12% because I charge you my extra service to accompany you. If you cannot afford to pay $20,000, it's okay. You don't need to pay. I will arrange all the paperwork and contract. You go to the office, but if there is an issue, don't come back to Wilhelmina because Wilhelmina is very far to sort it out. It's better to spend money to make money. What is $20,000 if you're really rich? That is peanuts. In return, I can give you 12% instead of 8%. So when you resell it, you make handsome profit. You become rich. I'm making you rich. Wilhelmina is a very kind and generous. My head office was saying to me, Wilhelmina, you are giving away money. And I told my head office, it's okay. Let the buyer come. And then we will review when the buyer secure for the second, third, because our selling price is not fixed. We will review it. We will give you fixed price on the first trial. 20 kilos, 50 kilos, 100 kilos, 400 kilos, 500 kilos. That 500 kilos is more than $24 million. Show it to me if you have $24 million. Then I can renegotiate the price. Yes, my seller would not give you the price that I'm mentioning right now. 8% take it or leave it, because the head office believe that you are in need of supply. You're in need, you're buying money. Gold is money. So the real seller would not give you cheap price. Only Wilhelmina. Why? My head office will respect Wilhelmina because I'm the one who promote Africa. I'm the one who put Africa to the world map. So therefore, the seller will say, okay, Wilhelmina, you validated the buyer. Yeah, we can be flexible. Now, Wilhelmina is handling Conakry, Mali, and Sierra Leone. I've been to Africa already. I've been to Mali. Mali is very strict. I've been to Mali last year. You would not get gold if you are not really transparent. Now in Mali, there are 3 or 4 refinery. When you buy gold, you ask the gold to DNGM. And my seller can consider Kankamusa because Kankamusa and DNGM are now amalgamated. They are now partner. But you need to comply. The same. I'm mentioning on this video. You read, digest it. Do not come to Wilhelmina unless you prove yourself that you are a buyer. Do not come if you are a joker broker. Do not come to ask Wilhelmina what is the price. The price is in front of you. That's why time to time I always update the price because you don't need to ask me anymore. What is the price? What is the purity? It is in front of you. Click below and subscribe on YouTube and subscribe on Facebook on my platform. Very, very comprehensive. I don't want you to come to Wilhelmina, hello, hi, because I'm going to reject you. And I'm going to insult you because you are buying $1 million. You need to be transparent. You need it, or else you wouldn't get it. There's so many joker broker hates my guts. I don't care. I don't care if you don't like Wilhelmina. I am helping you, Mr. Bayo, to protect because we already lose gold, and I was even cheated in Ghana. That's why I don't want to touch Ghana. And the head office was inviting me to bring buyers. They hired me in the beginning 2011. There's so many problems today in Ghana. According to this Indian, you cannot get gold in Ghana unless you deposit the gold to the government. There's so many smuggled gold into Ghana. You smuggle gold from Liberia, you smuggle gold from Cameroon, you smuggle gold from Sierra Leone, smuggle gold from Mali. There's so many. Smuggle gold from Congo. Congo is United Nations embargo. I would not touch Ghana. No matter what. I wouldn't touch it. It's prepared to deal with us because you are buying directly to the mine who produce gold. My seller is a consortium. My seller owns the mines. So you are not dealing with the chain of time waster. You're dealing with Wilhelmina. I will take you to the office. If you want tons of gold, yes, we do have tons of gold. But you read first the full corporate offer in front of you. Convince Wilhelmina, then I will believe that you are a buyer. If you don't convince Wilhelmina, to me, you're a time waster. Do not come to Wilhelmina and say, hi, hello, teach me, because I'm not here to teach people. I'm not. That's the reason why I put everything, read it, digest it, then you come back, then you're gonna say, Wilhelmina, I read the full corporate offer. We are the buyer. I hereby send the copy of our business registration, Wilhelmina. I hereby send a copy of our importation license, Wilhelmina, passport copy, and the proof of fund. Then we will confirm. We will send you a letter of confirmation and the contract. We don't send a blank contract. We don't. Then you can evaluate the contract. There is still room for negotiation. You will see the banking details of the seller. Now, I'm going to gather first your banking details because I'm going to ask the head office to prepare the contract. The details of your banking details. My seller's banking details. The correspondence bank is New York. If you are from Dubai, download Botem. I want to see you live video call. Do not come to me, hi, hello, because I'm not interested to to deal with you. I already mentioned this on this video. When you come for conference or you come to Wilhelmina on WhatsApp or Facebook, introduce yourself properly, or else you are going to be blocked. I will reject you because I'm too busy to teach you. That is the reason why I put comprehensive. Read it paragraph by paragraph. When you meet the criteria, then we can do business. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening or good morning to you. The price of gold, it fluctuates. The price of gold is not fixed. Our selling price always 8% tax included. Now, going back before I'm going to close. If you're from Dubai, there is an Emirates Air Cargo. From Conakry to Dubai, Emirates fly to Conakry 3 times a week. Use Sky Cargo. That's not my business. I'm just recommended. My seller has his own in-house shipping agent. So you have an option. You deal with the Emirates Air Cargo, okay? Or we will ship it to you. You can hand carry if only 5 kilos or 10 kilos because 10 kilos is very heavy. It's better ship it. Now, in Conakry, the gold will be brought to Central Bank subject for your final payment. The gold cannot be brought to Central Bank unless you pay the gold, and the gold cannot leave the office. So what you have to do, you make a deposit subject for final payment, subject for full payment. Deposit $10,000 or $15,000. Bring cash. You will be given a receipt. So that 15,000, the seller can mobilize. So your gold is in Central Bank. So you cannot go to Central Bank without appointment. The seller will request the Central Bank that he is going to allow his client to enter into Central Bank because there's so many security. The hotel across the Central Bank is Kalum. I always stay in Kalum Hotel, owned by Chinese. Chinese are big investors in Africa. A lot of hotels owned by Chinese. Why Chinese are there? Why Australian mining company is in Africa? Why Swiss company is there? Why Russian is in Mali? Why Australian is in Africa? Why Canadian and American? You are a small timer, then you're looking for cheap price. I can guarantee you are going to fail if you don't have the money. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you, Mr. Bayo, whoever you are. Now the price is 77. Last night the price was 76. Now the price 77. There is a prediction that the price of gold will turn to $80,000. Middle of this year, I was reading on Kitco, there is a possibility that the gold before end 2024 will turn to 3,500 per ounce. I will calculate that. 3,500 multiplied it to 32.15. 112. This is the price end of 2024. So now, Mr. Buyer, secure now. Talk to Wilhelmina. Don't be scared with Wilhelmina. Once you know this woman is very kind and generous, but very strict and very tough. Don't be scared because I'm here to listen to your needs. Without this supply, there's a saying, supply and demand determine the price. If there is no supply, your business would not function. Your paper money has no value. Gold has the value. So thank you very much. Have a pleasant good morning to you, whoever you are, and good evening here from Brisbane, Australia.